The sales funnel explained. Different stages of the funnel and their importance. Imagine your ideal customer as a visitor browsing the vast internet. To convert them into a paying customer, you need a strategic path, a sales funnel. Think of it like a visual map, guiding them through various stages until they reach the sweet spot, a purchase. 1. Awareness. This is the top of the funnel, where you grab attention. Think blog posts, social media ads, or SEO-optimized content that piques their interest in your product or service. 2. Interest. Now that you've caught their eye, nurture that interest. Offer valuable free resources like ebooks, webinars, or consultations. Show them how your product solves their problems. 3. Decision. They're considering buying, but doubts linger. Address their concerns with testimonials, case studies, or product demos. Build trust and nudge them towards the final step. 4. Action. The bottom of the funnel, where the magic happens. Make the purchase process smooth and secure with user-friendly checkout pages and multiple payment options. Remember, each stage needs tailored content and strategies to optimize the flow. A well-crafted funnel guides your customers seamlessly, turning website visitors into happy, paying customers.